Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your bookmarks on the X app. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts. From here we have our account, this little bubble on the top left side. If you tap on this, then we get this screen, and then we find bookmarks, and if we tap on this we can see the posts that we have saved. Currently I have none, but as for how to save a post, when you see a post that's interesting, in the bottom right corner you find this little rectangle shape with a triangle at the bottom. If you tap on this, you can add it to your bookmarks. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.